Nou, het dak gaat eraf. Jonathan! Yes, 3, daar is hij!
And what happened in race 1 didn't have any effect on you in race 2?
Well, I don't know if I have to go and get this bad boy stitched up right now. I've had a few local anaesthetic injections in my finger, and it's part and parcel of the course. But you know, on a more serious note, I want to just also have this race win, just to let Joanne Mascourse know we're still all thinking of you, buddy, and we hope to see you back here soon.
Very nice. Thank you very much, Jonathan Ray. We all echo your words.
Michael Guy actually came past me on the grid. I says, "What's everyone doing?" I heard slick, man. But I had an enter in the front and slick in the rear. I thought, yeah, mine's.
Congratulations.
Thanks,
Great. Oh.
Yeah, and then to do what he's just done is just incredible. He's a special kid.
It's just the best way to finish a day after, sorry, I talked to you guys after what happened in race 1, because I felt like in the beginning, in the first race when I was at the harder tyre, I was like waiting for the race to come to me, a little bit like in race 2, but in the second part of the race when the wet came, you know, I got caught out like a lot of other guys when the track went wet, like when in the first laps when it was there was zero grip on the track. But just happy to give the guys back in New Loose and this little motivation to keep improving. And it's nice for me to get my first win of the year again. And it's at Assen. It seems to be the case every year, so hopefully we can build on this momentum. And I'm excited with the new kind of new ballpark we're in with the bike setup wise. But on the agenda next, we need to work on speed. But I think when we get that, we should compete. We can compete every weekend. But yeah, just so sweet to get a win after the downs of race 1.